Hi, this is a demonstration to show you how to bring data from Microsoft Office, from Excel, into Monday.com, put it into dashboards or put it in other places. So first of all, we're going to start off by adding a widget. We're going to go into more widgets and search for Excel. And we're going to go with this secure Excel cell. It's asking to connect to a board. So first of all, it asks us to sign into Microsoft 365. And it's asking me for my two-factor authentication on my phone. Right, and now we're in. So at this point, I like to go into full screen mode so I can see the user interface a little bit better. We're going to select this worksheet. I'm going to select a particular sheet on it and actually put in a 1, and I want to add this as the annual recurring revenue for the company. And then we have a preview and it shows us here, and if we're happy with that, we can save that configuration and close this, and now you get that number here. And it says that that number's in dollars, but actually it isn't in dollars. For our company it should be in pounds, so I'm just going to open that up in Excel. So here it is in Excel, and if I go to format the cell, we can fix that to pounds English. You can see now it says it's in pounds and it's saving and it's saved. If I go back and do a refresh, reload the screen, it should say now it says that in pounds. So that's nice. We can also add charts from Excel as well. So more widgets, search for Excel, and we go and add the secure chart. Again, I'm going to just set that as full screen, and let's have a look. And we're going to select this regional sales, select a worksheet, select a chart. We can see the preview there, save the configuration, just close that back down again. And now I'm going to squeeze this in. Actually, if I take this one, resize it, I can kind of resize this a bit. But you get the idea. You can move things around as you like. And it's a really great way of using Monday.com to create your dashboards, and you can create them out of feeds into Excel. So whenever your Excel document changes, or the data in the document changes, it will change within this Monday.com dashboard. And if you don't want it in a dashboard, you can have it in an object view, or a board view, or an item view. So yeah, that's it.